Hello guys, welcome to the course. In this lesson, I'm going to discuss about how to add a subtitle to your footage.
So a project manager is really just focused on the full project lifecycle.
So here is a lady saying, scale this up, scale to the frame size.
So a project manager is really just focused on the full project lifecycle. So I'm kind of the person that gets everything kicked off, and I'm the last person that sees a project. So I work in an agency called RPM, which is focused on Broadway clients in the advertising space. And I've been there for a couple of years now, and I really work across all of our different teams to get the...
So here is a lady talking about his role as a project manager and his lifestyle as a project manager. So now to add a caption or subtitle, we'll go to here. So if we click on this caption option, it will come up this window. After that, we'll click create new caption, drag, and then click OK. After click here,
So a project manager is really just focused on the full project lifecycle.
here is the lady saying, so project manager is really just focused on the product life cycle. So we'll write what the lady is saying into the box. So we'll hear the audio again.
So a project manager is really just focused on the full project lifecycle. Project manager is really just focused on... So a project manager...
So you can see that we have created a subtitle. We have created a sample to understand, and if we play the video again.
So a project manager is really just focused on the full project lifecycle. So I'm kind of the person that gets everything kicked.
So if we want to add more subtitle, we'll click add new caption segment. That means the plus icon. So if you click here, you can change the color. From here, you can change the color of this subtitle from here to here. You can add a stroke if you like, or you can scale this, or you can change the font. Which you'd like. And if we want to add a new captions here, we add a new captions. You can simply go to this button and add new captions, or you can simply delete this one and add a new captions.
So I'm kind of the person that gets everything kicked off.
So if we write for the next subtitle what the lady is saying,
Manager is really just focused on the full project lifecycle. So I'm kind of the person that gets everything kicked off.
We'll change the color and keep it white.
Project manager is really just focused on the full project life cycle. So I'm kind of the person that gets everything kicked off.
So we can export this subtitle as we export SRT file or export text file or CSV file. So that's how we can create a subtitle in Adobe Premiere Pro, and also we can export this subtitle. So that's it for this lesson. We'll meet up with a new topic in next lesson. Thank you.